Let's build an automatic invoice collection system natively in Airtable. No Make.com, no Zapier. The moment an invoice goes overdue, the team gets a follow-up task with the client, amount, and due date, and the invoice is marked in collections. Create a new Airtable app. In the development workspace, click Create and choose Build an app on your own. A blank base appears. One empty table with starter fields. Everything gets renamed to fit invoice collection. Name the base. Click the base title and type Invoice Collection Command Center. Rename Table 1 to Invoices. Open the Table drop-down, choose Rename Table, and call each record an invoice. Turn assignee into a currency amount. Edit the field, rename it Amount, and pick the currency type with a dollar symbol. Add a due date field. Click the plus at the end of the fields, choose the date type, and name it Due Date. Rewrite the status options. Sent, overdue, paid, and in collections, the 4 states an invoice can be in. Add a second table. Click Add or Import next to the Invoices tab, and choose Start from Scratch. Name it Collection Tasks. This table receives one follow-up task for every invoice that goes overdue. Rename the task fields. The primary field becomes Task and Notes becomes Invoice Details. Status keeps To Do, In Progress, Done. Add one real invoice. INV 2041 for Delta Studio, $1,850, due July 2nd. Mark it Sent for now. Open Automations and pick the trigger. Choose when a record matches conditions. It fires the moment an invoice turns overdue. Point the trigger at Invoices. In the Trigger Properties, select the Invoices table. Set the condition. Status is overdue. Add a condition. Switch the field to Status, and pick the Overdue option. The trigger reads, if status is overdue. One condition is all it needs. The automation now fires only when an invoice becomes overdue. The business event. An invoice goes overdue. Back in data, the unpaid INV 2041 is switched from sent to overdue. INV 2041 is now overdue. This exact status change is what the trigger watches for. Test the trigger. Renamed Overdue Invoice Follow-up. It finds exactly one match, INV 2041. The trigger works. Add the first action. Create record. From Add Advanced Logic or Action, pick Create Record under Airtable. Map real trigger data into the task. The blue plus opens the data picker. Every value comes from the invoice that fired the trigger. Build the task from invoice fields. Task equals collect payment plus the invoice number. Details carry client, amount, and due date tokens. New tasks start as to do. The status field of the created task is set to do so it lands on the team's plate. Test the create record action. Run as configured creates a real task so the result can be inspected. The task exists with real invoice data. Collect payment, INV 2041, Delta Studio, 1850, due July 2nd, 2026, status to do. Add the second action. Update record. It targets the triggering invoice by its record ID and sets status to in collections. Test it. The invoice is updated. The run flips INV 2041 from overdue to in collections. The status trail is saved. The whole automation tested. Trigger and both actions show green checks. The toggle stays OFF on purpose. Leave it off until your process is real. Choose I'll do this later. Turn it on only after replacing the tutorial data with your own. Business Result 1. The Invoice Status Trail. INV 2041 now reads in collections. Nobody has to remember which invoices are being chased. Business Result 2. The Follow-up Task. Collection Tasks holds the mapped to-do task, the visible handoff that makes chasing happen. And that's the whole invoice collection system, tested end to end. Swap in your real invoices before turning it on, and subscribe for the next complete automation build.